Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. You already know what it is. It is the weekly money watch. This your man Boss Gang VIP. I'm excited to be here with you as always. I'm looking forward to having an amazing week. Last week we saw SPY do what it does, go up. It hasn't quite reached an all-time high yet, but we are very, very close. Historically, the market was supposed to be bullish last week, and that played out. I gave that information early, like I always do, and I'm going to lead you guys the right way this week. Got some amazing setups to look at, but before we get to that, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can get the videos as soon as they drop. Let's start off like we always do and take a look at the Roth IRA, the new money stock portfolio. Everything is going absolutely according to plan. We were able to make some new all-time highs. I'm very proud of the work I put in to make this happen, and I appreciate all the people who have been following along. I've gotten lots of amazing feedback, so that's definitely encouraging for me, and I just want to help out as many people as I can reach the goals that they may have in mind. So if you know anybody that wants to learn to invest the right way, go ahead, send them over to the channel. I believe I'm the best at what I do. Let's go ahead and get into the economics calendar for the week. Monday, September 16th, Empire State Manufacturing Survey. Okay. Tuesday, U.S. retail sales, industrial production, business inventory, home builder confidence index. Wednesday, housing starts, building permits, and FOMC interest rate decisions, and the Fed Chair Powell press conference. This is what everyone is going to be waiting for. Are we going to get 25 basis point cuts? Are we going to get 50 basis point cuts? I am not sure. Put what you believe is going to happen down in the comments. So 25 basis points, 50 basis points, 3/4, no cuts at all. Tell me, let me know what you think. Thursday, initial jobless claims, existing home sales. And Friday the 20th, there is nothing scheduled. Although there is nothing scheduled, there are some things we have to remember. So let's get into the almanac for the week. So Monday, before September triple witching, the NASDAQ has been down 14 of the last 24 trading sessions. Tuesday, historically, is a bullish day in the market, one of the most bullish days of the entire year historically. Expiration week 2001, the Dow lost 1,370 points, or 14.3%, the ninth worst weekly point loss ever, sixth worst week overall. And we have the FOMC meeting for 2 days. The 18th, markets have historically been down. Thursday, markets have historically been mixed. September, triple witching. Dow has been up 11 of the last 19 trading sessions, but down 8 of the last 11 trading sessions. As we know, September overall is a historically bearish month. What does that mean? Does that mean that the market is going to go down every day? Obviously not. The market has shown that it likes to go up. We need to create some liquidity. So now, going into the back half of the month after expiration, we start to get more and more bearish activity in the market. But guess what? That doesn't mean that every stock is going down. So when you hear people talking about the S&P and the overall market and it's making moves down, clearly as our portfolios are showing, it doesn't necessarily mean that all the stocks in the market are going down. There's specific ones, because while some stocks are going down, the stocks that the institutions want to buy right now are going up, and they're going up very, very quickly. Got some cool setups to check out this week. Let's get into it. One of the things I'm going to be looking at this week, CVS. The market was extremely bullish last week, so we got a lot of definitely bullish setups. But something I'm looking at coming off a super, super low CVS. Everybody knows CVS. We have these in our neighborhoods. And when I'm looking at the macro time frames on this, you can see that we're at some very, very, very low levels. Now, we actually hit a low on this, I believe it was in April. So if you look on this right here, this quarter, this was the April. We hit this low down here. We've opened up this quarter inside, but we are above that low. So we've been pushing up strong. Last week got a crazy move, reversal off this broad information. So we want to see if CVS can set up historically, or just, I don't want to say historically, but as far as seasonality goes, we, can kind of look to these healthcare tickers, and especially something like CVS that we're getting off a crazy, crazy discount. We can definitely look to some of these things to get crazy, crazy runs, especially going all the way up until December, January, right? Highs. And you can kind of see these patterns. They kind of just repeat themselves year after year after year, right? So this may be the low. So we want to see what this does. We're looking for a 3124 hour above 5802. Definitely loving CVS right now. Another ticker I'm going to be looking at is Frog. A lot of people may not be familiar with Frog. If you're not familiar with Frog, you definitely need to do some research. This stock was going up for a really long time, crazy, crazy runs, push down. Right now, we're coming off an inside week. We got a currently inside month, and then we kind of got a crazy wick on a quarter. And so I want to see if we get some reversals back up here. We're above 50% of most recent price action, which is 27.76, these high lows. And so we have potentially a lot of room to go here. Let me zoom out on this chart so you can kind of see what this looks like at these levels. We're in between these quarterly broad information. So room up to about $50. You guys already know. If it wants to push down, we'd be looking at $10. Do I believe it's going to go down there? Absolutely not. Why? Because I've done some research on the company. They're doing a lot of good things. They have some important partnerships. And if you do some research, this watch list will probably even make more sense later on. But we are looking for a 322 on a 4 hour. Let's see. That's above $28.13. So check out Frog and see if it is of some interest to you. But yeah, we could see how this month is currently green right now, inside, above monthly broad information, in between his range. We're going to see if there's some opportunities over there. And the last one we're going to look at is NVDA. Man, crazy move back up off the lows. You can see kind of like what this month looks like here. I like these tech stocks simply for the volatility that they provide. One of the things that I liked about NVIDIA in the last trading session was that even though the market was extremely bullish, NVIDIA was actually red, right? But it was barely red, right? So we want to see if we can get a move up. It's inside of a clear weekly broad information. So let's just see if we can get a quick move up in the next couple of days, potentially Monday, Tuesday, going into the Fed meeting. We'll see how that goes. See if they create some liquidity in the market, trap a few people. But potential to 130, that would be pretty crazy, right? If we got to 130 over the next couple of days on NVIDIA. So that would be a pretty crazy move there. So the entry on NVIDIA, this is another 4-hour entry. And we get these 4-hour entries just because the market has been so bullish, pushing up. And then I like when the area of price action is very, very small from the previous candles. It tells me that the orders are, all within a tight range, which means that at any given point, if the party wants to take control, in this scenario, it would be the Bulls because they've been the strongest, obviously, right? So if they want to take control, it shouldn't take long for it to take off. 212 4-hour above 119.17. If you guys are able to get some wins, make sure to let me know. That definitely encourages me. If you guys have any questions, please make sure to let me know. With that being said, I'm looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week, and I hope you are as well. Get to marking up your charts. With that being said, enjoy the rest of your weekend. It's your man Boss Gang VIP with the weekly money watch. I'm out. Peace.